It's quite common for our customers to approach us not being sure of exactly what it is they need. They know they need a part from our product protection line, but which of our parts best suits their particular requirements? Our caps or our plugs? In this video, we're going to show you how to choose the correct part. First question we always ask is simple. What area of the product are you looking to protect? Caps, which fit tightly over the outside of the product, are going to be ideal to protect the ends of threaded and non-threaded tubing, rods, or packaging tubes with a friction-tight straight wall design. If your part has rough edges or threaded ends, a cap would offer the best possible protection, not only preserving the tube, but the surrounding elements as well. Now, if your component has external flanges or abnormal shapes that require the part to grip the component, then you're going to need a part with an internal grip that only a plug can provide. With the tapered body and with reinforced cross braces, it provides exceptional protection for the configuration of a tube. If you're still undecided, not sure of what particular part you need, then consider Caps & Plugs' best-selling line, the Tapered Series, where the tapered design allows it to function as both a cap and a plug. With our warehouse full of standard parts ready to ship today, Caps & Plugs will provide you with exceptional customer service to fulfill all your particular needs. So for more information, check us out online at www.capsandplugs.com or call us toll-free at 1-800-668-3235.